Welcome dear students to another part of our class, 5th chapter 2nd, shapes and angles, and part 3. According to the chapter, we have previously learned about shapes, so now we will learn about angles. What is angle? An angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common end point. We will look at this by making a figure. So this is a point and when we make two rays, ray 1 and ray 2. When both the two rays meeting at a common point, this made a figure which is called angle. Then come to some figures. Look at carefully these figures. This is a shape of chair, this is shape of scissor, and this is a hockey stick. Here, look at the shape of chair. If I told you, look at this. This chair make a letter L. Shape of letter L is like this, which you know very well. The letter L shape is like this. And this make here a angle which is called right angle. Simply we can say that letter L is called the right angle. Now come to the next figure and look at here. Here an angle which is less than right angle. If I made this and this. So when you move this line or pull this line by right hand side, so this is the less than right angle. Okay, now look at this. This is a hockey stick, and when we draw its figure, it's look like this, like pulling this line left hand side. Okay, so pulling this line in left hand side, it makes an angle here which is more than right angle. More than right angle. This is less than right angle, this is more than right angle, and this is right angle. So we will move to the exercise name practice time. You look at the figure and tell me it makes right angle or more than right angle or less than right angle. Okay, so firstly look at the scissor. In this scissor, here we can simply say that this angle is less than right angle. So write the mark here and look at here. If you make your hand as an angle, so you look at here less than right angle. And now look at the kite. It makes right angles, so we tick here. And in last, look at here and here. These are making like this shape, and these are the more than right angle, so we mark here. I hope you understand. Scissor make a shape less than right angle, and the hand make less than right angle, or it make right angle too. Okay, then kite makes right angle, and this tool makes more than right angle. Now we will move to the some practice activities. Write what kind of angle it is. What kind of angle it is. Okay, so first one is, I'll draw here a shape of crocodile, or we can say that an alligator, which you know. Okay, this is a shape of an alligator. So in its mouth, look at here, it makes a shape, an angle here, which is less than right angle. Why? Because we know L makes right angle. Is this shape is L, like L? No. So this is less than right angle. Okay, less than right angle. Okay, then I'll make some shapes. You look at carefully and then observe the angle. Okay, this is an L shape. L shape is called right angle. Then this is less than L, so we say that less than right angle. Okay, now look at here, this is more than L, so we write here more than right angle, more than right angle. Here this is less than, and last one is also less than, because these not make shape L. Okay, now we will move to the activity 1, page number 23. Activity is take a square sheet of paper. So we will take a square shape sheet paper and fold it in half. So when I fold this sheet, it goes there and shape is this. Fold it once more and press it. Then if you fold this once more, then it makes a shape like this. Open the last fold so that the sheet is folded in half. If we open the last fold, so we have shape like this. Okay, I hope you understand. If you open this, so we will get a shape like this. And take one corner and unfold it to meet the dotted line. So take this one corner and fold this here. When you take this and fold here, you have a figure like this. Now observe this figure and tell me which angle is here? Here, right angle. Which angle is here? Less than right angle. Here also less than right angle. If I told you, look at here, shape is like this. So this is more than right angle. I hope you understand. So I will give you homework activity, angle with your body. Okay, page number 23, go to the activity, and this is your homework. You have to try to solve this. Question is a right angle with your hand. Look, I take this and join this. I make a L shape. So this is a right angle. Like this, if less than right angle, we will pull it here. Okay, and when we make more than right angle, so we push this there. Okay, I hope you understand well. So this is your homework. You try to make this. And last and important topic, angle in name. Angle in name. Now student, I write here a name. I write here a name. Angle in name. Okay. Read this. SUKHMAN. Okay, and when we look at this, it makes some angles here, then here. U makes angle here. K makes 1, 2 and 3 angles. H makes 1, 2, 3, 4. M makes 1, 2 and here 2. Then A makes 1, 2, 3 angles. Similarly, N makes these angles. So you have to observe this name Sukhman and find out the angles. I'll give you an idea. Suppose we find out right angles here. How many right angles in this name? So count with me. 1 right angle, 2, 3, 4, which make L shape is right angle. So there are 4, 5, 6. Okay, then 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then this make also an right angle. So this is 11. Right angles 11. And if I told you less than right angle, so I hope you understand well and you can find from here. Similarly, you find more than right angle. More than right angle. So try to solve this, and students, write your name and find out how many right angles are there, how many less than right angles there, and how many more than angles there. Okay, so this is your homework. And here an activity in page number 25 related to name only. Okay, and here also you find the number of angles more than, less than and right angle. So solve this activity, which is very easy. Okay, so this is end of our session today. We shall continue with our subject on next part on next class.